Hello YouTube. Like I said before in my last little update video, I'm going to be posting some more truck reviews and stuff like that. And all my buddies' trucks, we're going to try to get them on here, and we're going to try to give like a review type deal of what we think about our trucks. And, you know, preference, because my one buddy has an 89, my other buddy has a 94, and then I have a 2004. And then my other buddy's trying to buy a square body, but, you know, sometimes how that goes, trying to get a truck. So he can't find one he likes, so he's trying, but he'll get one eventually. I'll make a video about it. So this is my 2004 crew cab short bed. I think it's not the 5, it's the smaller engines of the two, 5.4, something like that, 4.5 or something like that. And I bought it from a guy in Newcastle about 3 months ago, 2 months ago, something like that. It has 170,000 miles on it, so it has a little bit of miles, but, you know, for the price, you couldn't pass it up. So, it came with a light bar. I need to hook that up still, but it kind of fits in the bumper very smoothly. It is freezing outside, so if I'm sniffling at all, that is why. What else? It has the bug reflector. I like that a lot. And I just bought some new Ford emblems for the front of it with like American flag decal in it. It's pretty cool. When I put those on, I'll show you. I have the aluminum rims with BFG Goodriches on it. I'm walking around the bad side of the truck. I can walk over here. With BFG Goodriches on it. I think they're like the mud train tires they sell. It's the Triton engine, XLT. Really, only complaint I have about it is kind of slow. It's not fast by any means. It takes a while to get up to speed. It came with these Badlands, I think they're called. Yeah, backcountry steps. The only like other things that when I bought the truck that I knew it was going to happen is it had some sketchy body work done to it, like the corner that's about chipping out of Bondo, and then right here is some body filler here and there, and so I'm gonna have to like sand it down, fix it. The bed is pretty rotted out, so I might just replace the whole bed eventually, but for now I'm just gonna keep filling it in until I can't really anymore. The bed, like I said, it came with a turtle cap type deal, which my friends call gay, but I like it. Oh, there's my Cavalier. That's my car also. Came with the spray and bed liner, the Rhino bed liner. It's pretty nice. It's pretty durable. It's kind of like holding my bed together, so that's good. Other than that, shut this real quick. Sorry if I have the camera. Let's see. Over here it has some of that, like I said, sketchy Bondo body work. But other than that, it's a pretty good truck. It's pretty solid. I haven't had any breakdowns or anything like that. I had to replace the airbag sensor though on the front. Underneath here, that's my own little patching kit for the pipe because I had a hole in it, but the exhaust system looks new. I don't know why. But other than that, I mean, the interior, I'll show you the interior. The interior is like, this is the first year for Ford for this body style, 2004. That's pretty nice interior. The radio is pretty basic. There's my charging port deal. Now right here is the only thing that's missing. The little rubber piece here is missing. The seats are really nice. They're not too dirty. They're pretty clean. Everything on the truck was pretty clean on the inside. It's one of my biggest things I liked about it. Oh, back truck's locked. Let me open her up. Okay, back here I got some RB bags. Full bench seat. It's pretty spacious. Like, I have a stepbrother, he's 6'5". He sat back here. He says not too bad at all to sit back here at all. But yeah, it came with a little kit for like jacking up stuff. I mean, if you need to work on the side of the road. Like I said, it has some rust. I mean, it's not perfect, but for a first truck, I think it's pretty good. So, well, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will be posting some more truck videos up on here, and hopefully they won't be more put together than this one was. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.